They are all there. Ben.
Happy birthday, Ben!
It looks amazing.
Make a good wish, Ben.
They will come soon.
The candles are melting.
Ben, do you want some water?
They are probably just late.
I put ice in it. You like ice?
Maybe there was traffic.
Not today. Not on his birthday.
4:30.
The balloons look like how I feel on Mondays.
You always know, don't you?
It is getting late.
I know. No messages. Maybe they forgot.
You do not need to check it.
The food is getting cold, Ben. We can eat.
Can we wait a little more?
Okay. A little more.
It is getting dark.
They are all there. Ben. I am going upstairs. I am okay, Dad. I just need a minute. Nobody came. I thought they liked me.
I am out here, Ben. You do not have to talk.
I will just sit here.
He did everything right. He made the invitations himself.
Maybe I said something wrong. I worked so hard on those.
Ben, the cake is still there. It still looks good.
I know, Lily.
Just a moment. Okay.
He needed to see it himself. I will get it. I will get it.
I saw the balloons this morning. I did not want the boy to be alone.
Please come in, Mrs. Carter. That is very kind of you.
I hope I am not interrupting. Oh.
I baked these this afternoon. I thought, well, I just thought someone should bring something.
Children can be very cruel without knowing it.
He worked so hard on those invitations. The ones who do not come fought, they are not the story. The ones who stay, they art. They are.
Someone nice came, Ben. She brought cupcakes. Who came? Mrs. Carter from next door. She saw the balloons and came over. She came. She came.
Tell the boy, take. The world is bigger than one classroom.
Not tonight. He needed to see it himself.
I will be back in a minute, Ben. Dad!
What is that? Sit down, Lily.
Sit down, Lily.
This is everyone Ben invited.
You called them.
Mount May. When did you call them?
3 days ago.
3 days ago.
3 days ago. And you did not tell Ben.
I thought about telling him. Every day I thought about it. But some things Downin, a father cannot protect his child from. He needed to see it himself. And I needed to be here when he did.
He was alone up there. And you knew.
Yes.
With Mida ruled in Balmai.
Yagwin.
And I was here. Every minute.
I am going back upstairs.
Lily. Thank you for sitting outside his door.
He is my brother.
I am back, Ben. You came back. I always come back, Ben.
Why are you sitting out there?
Because the floor out here is not that bad. And you are in there.
The floor out here is not that bad. The floor out here is not that bad. You have been sitting out here the whole time.
Most of it.
Nobody came, Lily.
You are supposed to say it is okay.
It was not okay.
But you are.
He came upstairs. He always does.
What did Mrs. Carter say? She said the world is bigger than one classroom. The world is bigger than one classroom.
Thank you for staying, Lily.
I was not doing anything anyway. I ironed this shirt. Mom made those cupcakes look really good when she put them on the plate. Do you think she will come back, Mrs. Carter?
I think she will. Good night, Ben.
Good night, Lily. Dad was here. Mom was here. Lily was here. B.I.S.K.T. was here. Nobody came. But the door was never empty.
He is asleep.
There's just so much to do before the weekend.
We'll get through it together. You stayed at that table for 4 hours.
Where else would I be?
Morning. One day at a time.
Early.
Is Ben home? I was at the mall yesterday. I saw Ben's messages last night. I could not sleep.
Wait here. Someone is at the door for you. A boy from your class.
Tom.
He came early. He says he could not sleep.
He could not sleep.
Okay.
Hey, Ben. I wanted to give you this.
I was at the mall. I should not have been. I am sorry, Ben. I am really sorry.
Hi, Sam. Come on up.
Yeah, we saved you some cake.
Oh, wow. Thanks, guys. I made this last night. I could not sleep either.
Come in.
You all came early.
We could not sleep.
We should have been here. You are here now.
Sit down, everyone. There is still cake. There is still cake.
You made new friends while I was sleeping?
They were already my friends. Come in. There is still cake.
Nobody came. But the door was never empty.